Welcome back to our channel, guys. So today, as you can see, I am here with my beautiful princesses. Princess number 1 and princess number 2. Look at princess number 2. Well, you guys are both number 1 in my heart. I will explain as to why Christian isn't part of this video in a little bit. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup with these 2 little kids right here. Mwah. Love you. So before this video begins, do not forget to subscribe and join the golden family.
Join the fun family with a big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up. So this video is going to be as real as it gets, guys. Me getting ready with 2 kids. Are you guys ready for this? Because she might be hungry. I might have to breastfeed her midway through this video. But that's okay, because this is me. This is my life, and I love it. Wouldn't trade it in for the world.
You like my lipstick? Smell it. You like it?
So most of the time, I try to get ready when Alexia is taking a nap. Adri's a lot easier to take care of now that she's older. She's 3 years old, so she kind of just hangs out and plays with her toys so I can get ready. But my beautiful baby girl over here requires a lot more attention because she's 6 months old. So I try to put her down for a nap, but 90% of the time that's not how it works out. And I just literally have to put my makeup down on the floor and do my makeup while she plays and rolls around the floor. So step 1, what I always do is with my moisturizer, which I don't have here with me right now because I already put it on, I put this MAC strobe cream. I mix it in with my moisturizer just to give myself like a fresh glow because I don't wear heavy foundation. And I'm going to be looking over here because my mirror is right here and my brushes and everything's right here. I don't use foundation. I use this Lancome Skin Feels Good. I've shown you this in one of my videos with where Christian actually did his makeup with me and followed my makeup routine. I use this. It's the Skin Feels Good. It's just a tinted moisturizer, so that's all I use. So I use very little of this. I normally just start like right here, my cheek area, like in the middle of my face, and then feather out like the rest of the product out. Because I honestly don't like to have a lot of makeup, especially because the baby's like always touching my face. This just covers up a little bit of your imperfections and just gives you like a fresh face. If you're like a full coverage foundation girl, you're not gonna like this. This is awesome for like the summer, honestly, because it's just a little bit. It gives you like that perfect amount. Like right now, it probably doesn't look like I did anything to my face, but once I like add everything else, you'll see. So after I do that, I go in with my eyebrows. What happened, baby? What happened? You want to be here with me? I know. You want to play. Oh. Let's take this off. What happened? You couldn't see? You couldn't see? Oh my goodness, it's emoji. So back to this. See guys, this might take longer because yeah, it's okay. I usually try to give myself enough time to get ready, and even still I'm always late to things. So next I am using the Benefit Brow Pencil. I use number 5. What happened? So for this brow part, I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys because sometimes my brows want to work with me and sometimes they don't. So let's speed this up. And I just like to clean them up a little bit because it just makes them look
worse. When I tell them worse.
better.
When I tell it when it gets worse, then you clean it up.
So now I'm putting on a little bit of concealer. And I like to use, for like my everyday, the Makeup Revolution, which you can find at Ulta. It's only like $7 or $8, I believe. I just use this as a concealer. And blend that in. Come here. Come here. Ah. So honestly, my everyday makeup look, I just like to hide my imperfections and give myself some glow, because honestly that's what makes you look the most awake, and it makes you look like you've slept 8 hours. Right, Alexia?
Yep.
I've only probably slept 3,
And I said,
but it's okay, right? Sometimes if I feel like I need a little bit of extra concealer, like to brighten a little tiny bit, I would use, where is it? My NARS,
it's on your lipstick.
the Creamy Radiant, and I'll just literally pop in a little bit extra right there, and that's it. And then I blend that. What? What?
Oh, Hershey.
Most of the time, guys, she really doesn't let me do my makeup, so I just have to work with what I got, which is one hand. Right, Alexi? You're a savage? You girls are gonna know how to do your makeup, right? By the time you get older, because you've watched me do it 100,000 times. So now that we have our concealer done, so what I do is just a little tiny bit of cream contour. Right there. And a little bit on the double chin. Sing with me, girls. Oh, so now I'm gonna set, and I use the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. She's looking at it like she wants to get in there, guys, but no, you can't touch it. I set my concealer and my brows.
Mama,
Alexi, all the toys in the world that are down there behind us, and you just want to be here with me, huh?
Yep.
Huh? Both of you.
Yeah.
Honestly, guys, wherever I go, they're literally right. You'll find 1 and 2 like right next to me. They're like glue. Right?
Yeah.
You guys love me? Who loves mommy?
Me.
Who loves mommy?
Me. Who loves the camera?
You.
No, I need to say you need to love it.
Oh. Who loves the camera?
Me.
Now that we've set, I use the Hoola bronzer. My fave for like an everyday. And I just add a little bit to the cream contour. And a little bit down here. Blend it down. Don't yell at your sister like that.
But she makes my makeup yell at her.
What happened? I probably should be the one crying, but it's the other way. So I love me a little quick nose contour. And then I kind of blend the nose contour with the brush that I use for the translucent powder. Because I don't want it to be that harsh.
Mama, I think I want something else.
What, a boob? You want a boobie in your mouth?
No.
You want a boobie in your mouth?
No.
You want a boobie in your mouth?
No.
All right. She's hungry, guys, sorry. She's hungry. So now that she's on my boob, I could probably get some more done with one hand. So with Adri, I breastfed her for 10 months, and then my breast didn't produce any more milk, and I think I'm gonna do the same with her. As long as I'm producing, I'm gonna feed her. It is hard, guys. It's really hard because it's like pretty much all on you, but she's been eating more food, so it's a little easier, I guess, but it's so worth it. Just like literally the bond that you get from like breastfeeding is crazy. My kids are so attached to me, but like in a really good way, and I hope it's like that for the rest of my life, because I can't imagine having my babies grow up and not be around me anymore. Are you done? She swears she's like the boss of my tits, and like whenever she's done, she just gets up and that's it. All right, let's go back down here. All right, girls, I gotta finish this. So guys, if you're wondering why Christian isn't here, it's because why isn't he here? Just kidding, guys. He's just at work. He's at work and I'm here with the kids. So we were talking about it the other day where we kind of want to show you like here and there, have videos of just me doing like girl stuff and then just him like doing guy stuff, our individual sides. And hopefully you guys like that. Comment down below if you guys want to see like more videos of just me or videos of just him like doing guy stuff, maybe with his friends or whatever. You're tired. Go to sleep. So yeah, so comment down below, guys, if you want to see videos of just me or videos of just him. Or videos of just you, fine. You want your own videos too? You want to do your own video? Do you want to do your own video? Yeah, so comment below what you guys think. We'll give you guys like something different. Where was I? Highlight, my favorite part. So before I do highlight, I normally like to spray my face with a little bit of the MORPHE continuous setting spray. And I do it on the areas where I'm gonna put the highlight. And then I just add a little bit. Honestly, I just like to glow. Like if I could just put highlight on in the morning, get up and go, I'd be happy. For highlight, I'm using the Amrezy Anastasia highlight and the Dose of Colors X Katie and Desi Fuego highlight. I usually mix those. They're my favorite ones. A little bit of blush. For that, I use the MORPHE, the NB blush palette. And I'll show you guys. And this is what it looks like. I use different blushes all the time. I have some MAC blushes and other different ones, Anastasia blushes, but this is the one that I normally lean towards just because it's like all in one and it has all the different colors there. Just use a little bit. I normally bring it up here and a little bit in here. What? A little bit here so it looks like I got some sun. And then I go in with like a blending brush to kind of like blend everything together. Make it look natural. What happened? You really want to show them like a raw makeup tutorial, huh?
And I can do our makeup.
This is what it's like, guys, when you have 2 kids and you have to do your makeup. And then I go in with more setting spray because this is honestly what makes it look the most natural. Want some? Close your eyes. Good job. My last and final step, and then we're done, okay, girls?
And then I can do my
Yes.
own makeup with Alexi.
Christian already knows that once I'm on my lashes, I'm done. What do you want? You want more? You want more milk? Because you're not staying on. You have to stay on. You have to stay on because if you get off, I can't just keep doing that all day long. It's not what you say, honey. I have things to do too. I have things to do too. Guys, some days it's easy to do my makeup. Like I can do it literally in like less than 10 minutes. And sometimes it takes me half an hour because of this. And today is one of those days where it's taking me half an hour to do my makeup. But it's okay. Guys, comment down below. Comment down below what you guys think of all this. Honestly, give me your honest opinion. What happened? You're done? See, this is what she does. She nibbles and then she's like, okay, I'm done. Comment down below if you think that I look like a hot mess.
I look so cute.
You look so cute. You're beautiful. If I'm feeling really saucy some days, I'll even put in a little bit of eyeshadow. And guess what, guys? I'm feeling a little bit saucy today, so what I do is I use the Hoola bronzer that I use to contour my face, and I just stick some on my eyelid. And you'll see that it makes a difference.
Mommy, when you're done with your video, I can do my own video.
Okay.
Okay.
Girls, she's like a little YouTuber in the making. So I don't know if you guys can tell, like this eye just looks a lot more put together now than this eye. Sometimes I'll use like my Jaclyn Hill palette and like I add a couple more like bronzy colors. That's normally the look that I go for if I do eyeshadow. But most of the time I just use this bronzer. Just because it's like right here, I have it already in my hand. Alright guys, this is it. This is my everyday mommy look. So everything that I use on my face, I'm gonna link it down for you guys down below, because you know, I'm a makeup guru for the day. Also, if you guys want to see like a full glam, what I do when I'm like going out to a special event, something like that, then I can also show you guys. I might need Christian to be here for that so that he can watch the girls, but I can do it for you guys because I love you guys so much. So depending on like the vibe that I want to go with, I'll either go with just a lip gloss or a nude lip and just line my lips a little bit. I'm not going to do that for this video because my babies are going to be like all up on me after this. Because we're gonna snuggle, right? Watch movies? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, to all my mommies out there that are watching me, I just want to say you are strong, you are amazing, and you are beautiful, even on the days that you don't feel like you are. You know, sometimes we have to remind ourselves that we can do it. We got this. Some days you might feel like you're just exhausted. It's okay. We all have those days. I have those days. Everyone has those days. Just know that your kids love you, and honestly, with that love, anything is possible and you can conquer the world. So go moms, you guys are all amazing. So we're gonna close out today's video right here. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We have a golden nugget shout out today, and that goes to Jamaica Brooks. Can you say that? Jamaica Brooks?
Jamaica Brooks.
Shout out to you. We love you so much. Thank you for being part of the Golden family. Thank you for all your love and support. And I guess we'll see you guys in the next video with Christian. Bye.
Can I close out?
Yeah, close it out.